Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and today I'm going to be talking you through what to look for when buying motorcycle jeans. Okay, so the biggest growth area in motorcycle clothing over the last few years has been denim jeans. Been around forever, people are wearing jeans on bikes forever, as long as you can remember back to the James Dean days, Steve McQueen, all wearing jeans. They finally got to the stage now where they're comfortable, they're protective, and they do everything you want on a motorcycle. So they've really taken over from a lot of the guys that are wearing textiles, meshes, even leathers now. Most people are wearing a nice, comfortable pair of jeans that looks good as on the bike as off it. So let's just go through a few things to look for when you're looking at your next pair of denim motorcycle jeans. So, the most confusing area of jeans is this new CE standard. So the new CE standard is 17092. It's taken over from 13595, but they're actually different standards completely. The 13595, which the titanium jean here from PMJ, hits the 13595 level at level 2. So that is the hardest standard to pass. That is a professional standard for professional riders. So actually it's considerably harder to pass than the new 17092, which is a consumer standard. So 17092, you're looking at about a 4-second slide time for AAA rating. For 13595 on the old standard, on these PMJ titaniums, you're looking at about an 7 to 8 second slide time. So much harder to pass the old standard than the new one. It's just worth bearing that in mind when you're looking at a jean. So that's a bit on the standards. Something like this Legend here is going to hit a AAA, no problem at all. Then you've got something like a PMJ Rider is going to hit a single A standard, AAA for the Legends, and then the titaniums, that's going to be old style 13595. Of course it's a AAA on the new standard as well, so it passes both those standards. That's going to give you the most protection in terms of CE approval. A couple more things on CE approval, the armour's different between the different levels. If we talk about 17092, that prescribes armour. What that means is that if you can get a AAA pair of jeans, 17092 AAA pair, you need hip armour and knee armour included in the product. If you're buying a single A standard, for example, something like the Rider, you don't need to have hip armour in to hit that single A standard. So and then there's double A in the middle of those two. So have a look at the jeans. If you pick up a copy of our bike gear catalogue, it explains the PMJ range with all the different standards in it. It explains it word for word what you need to know about your protection in your jeans. So pick up a copy or download a copy from bikerheadz.co.uk. Okay, when we're actually selling jeans though, those two things are important. Protection is obviously important. But the thing people most talk about is the fit, how comfortable they are, all those things. So let's talk about the products themselves. When you're buying a pair of jeans, as everyone knows, half of them fit, half of them don't. It takes about 20 pairs of jeans to find the one that fits you. So take a couple of pairs of jeans into the change and get the right fit. If the protection's right, the look's right, but the fit's wrong, you're not going to wear the jeans. So it's really important to get a pair of jeans that fits beautifully well. PMJ again that we're looking at here, all made in Italy, so it's a beautiful fit on all the jeans. They do vary a bit between the Vegas, the Legends, the Titanium, they all have a slightly different fit. So take a few pairs in, try a few pairs on, make sure you're comfortable in them. Really important when you're buying a pair of jeans. Make sure you try them on in store. Leg lengths are important. Obviously you've got a couple of leg lengths. PMJ Voyager comes in a short leg and a standard leg. So that's made specifically for the UK, the short leg version. If you are a short leg, try a PMJ Voyager, that might fit you a little bit better. It's a bit more boxy shape as opposed to tailored like the Legend jean would be. So it's really important to get your fit absolutely bang on. Where the jeans are made, whether you're getting a quality product is obviously another important thing. As I say, all these are made in Italy. Some of the jeans out there are made in Pakistan or China or Vietnam or Bangladesh or wherever they're made. You get much better consistency if the manufacturer owns their plant. So if the manufacturer is manufacturing their own jeans, they're not outsourcing it to another supplier out in the Far East, Pakistan, Bangladesh, something like that. You're going to get a much more consistent product and a much better testing product in terms of how they're coming out of that factory. So it's worth looking at that area as well. Okay, so finally, just have a look at your comfort, make sure it's a comfortable jean, have a look at the linings. Quite a lot of jeans, you'll have the exterior of the jean, here obviously a denim, this is a 12-ounce denim from Spain. Underneath that, you've got an aramid fibre normally, it could be Kevlar, have a look for the DuPont Kevlar logo if it's real Kevlar, two different types of that as well. PMJ use a material called Twaron, it's a Japanese version essentially. You could go for something like Kovex, which some of the guys use, so whichever aramid fibre it is inside the jean, that will be behind the denim. Behind that is going to be a protective layer sometimes, so the quality jeans, if you have a look at these, will have a protective liner, and you see underneath that's going to be yellow, which is the aramid. This is a Coolmax layer between you and the aramid. That means you're not in direct contact with the aramid fibre, so it keeps that away from your skin, means the heat transfers less. It's going to be less painful if you do have an accident when the heat builds up under the trouser, so it's just going to stop that happening. Here on the titaniums, they use standard wickable liner. With the PMJ, you're never in contact with the aramid fibre, and that's a good thing to look out for in all jeans. Make sure it's nice and tight, and make sure make sure that lining's in there to keep you away from the aramid. So that's jeans basically. Massive amount of choice out on the market. Get out there, try a few pairs on. If you want to see the selection from PMJ, go to bikerheadz.co.uk, download the catalogue there or pick up a copy from your local dealer, and please like and subscribe below.